Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to send 1000 DMs per day Indian method. Let's jump in it. So, first thing we will do is hire those VAs. Indians, we are calling them VAs, virtual assistants, so I will call them VAs. We will hire loads of VAs, then we will just pick our social media platforms. You can pick any social platform you want. Then we just train those VAs and make each one of them send 100 DMs per day. That means when you have 10 VAs, so you have 10 Indians, you will start sending 1000 DMs per day. And that's just the core of the strategy and how it is working. So how to actually hire those VAs and how to actually make them send those DMs. Let's go over that right now. But yeah, it's easy system. I hope you understand it. And yeah, okay, let's jump in it. So for those VAs, where we are actually hiring them, it's on Upwork. And I can walk you through pretty fast right here. It's pretty easy. So how does it look like? You will go just sign as a client on Upwork. Here you will just post a job, and in that job post, that doesn't matter what you fill out here. You will just go and write title for this job. It will be just general VA. Then you will say that it's VA for outreach. You want them to be working on commissions, and that's for it. You can just then upload the post. Loads of VAs will be there, so we will just go on group meeting with all of them, and from that you will just qualify them and hire only the best ones. So as I said, go to Upwork, sign as a client, job post, you will place their VAs, then you will just qualify them, so you can say that they actually have all of the things you want, so can work 8 hours per day, have stable internet, access to laptop or PC, and then you can also say some experience, doesn't matter that much. This is the example I'm using usually. Hello everyone, own agency, this job is performance based. I say that you can make $100 per week, but it's just, nobody will usually make $100 per week because it's only commission based. So you actually pay them for each appointment they book you. So if they book you appointment, you will then pay them like $10 or something like that. The price is yours, what you are doing with that. Or you can pay them like on the DM, so on how many DMs they will send. Doesn't matter, it's up to you. But qualifications, then I just got all of those proposals for this job. Then I will just go send all of them the same message. I can also show it here, DMs. I will just send them, hey, join tomorrow the interview. Here is a link. This time, join there. 20 people will join there. I will go through each one of them, ask them a few questions. Hire out of those 20 people, I usually hire like 5. You can do this like multiple times, so you hire 10 VAs, or you can do it at once, doesn't matter, it's up to you. Then you just pick the people who actually want to work with you. Then you just invite them to your Discord server or Slack. We use Discord server because it's easier. I'm more familiar with Discord, it's free. So on the Discord server, you will just have some announcements where you will just tell the VAs when to join the meeting if you have it with them. Here are the commissions. So you are actually paying them $10 per appointment book. Really easy system. Then scheduled appointments. I have it actually here, so it's easier for you. So the main sections are just like daily overview and daily meetings. This is just what you will do on daily basis. And daily overview, I will just find it out. Where are clients? The daily overview, just make each one of the VAs send a daily overview of how many DMs they have sent. You can see here, contacted businesses. We had limit, like they should at least send like 50 DMs per day. It was like the absolute limit. If they went below that, we just fired them. So 50 was the lower part, but you can just tell them to do 100 per day. Really easily achievable. We did it on Instagram. You must just check out like the limitations there, but if you have warm-up account, you can send like 70, like even 200 DMs on Instagram. So that is not the problem. Then under sections we had their announcements, just to tell them when to join the daily meeting. We had like each day before they start working, just some meeting with them just to answer some questions, 10 minutes. You can just talk with them about something. You should have it, but you can then just outsource it to another VA. Then you have announcements, general chat, just talk shit there, doesn't matter. And then working materials and SOPs, so it was just a script they should use. And yeah, just you can send them some video how you are using the script. Then who scheduled what appointment, so you pay the right VA. Then competitions, you can say, hey, who will send the most DMs this week will win $10, something like that. You can just to motivate them, okay? Then, as I said, make the SOPs 50 to 100 DMs per day. And for the platform, It doesn't matter what you choose. We use Instagram, but Facebook is also working, Twitter is also working, LinkedIn is also working. But the thing I haven't mentioned yet is that they weren't using their own personal accounts like they did where you're starting out. We actually made them use their personal accounts, but what is even better is to buy your own personal accounts and make them use your personal account, not personal accounts, your accounts. Okay, so what we actually use there is that we just buy accounts here, Bulk's account buy here on Instagram. You can buy also Twitter accounts or Facebook accounts, doesn't matter. And here we just bought like 2 to 4 years old and 10 accounts for $30. Super cheap. Just buy 10 accounts, then you will just adjust those accounts to be like seem a little bit legit. Buy some followers. We actually did that on Follower. You just buy for a few cents. You can buy like 1,000 followers. So pretty easy that. And then for the managing, actually those accounts we used Hide My Egg. And how that works is that you will just open it and you have a lot of browsers right here. We don't use it right now, but you can see like in this video where I was using it. I think that it is here. You can see those multiple browsers. But if I open it right now, how does that work is that you will just open, for example, this one. It will open the browser. You can see that some VA is assigned to it, and here you can just sign in with your Instagram account. So this browser will have one Instagram account, this browser will have another Instagram account, this browser will have another Instagram account, this one will have another, and you will do like 10. Then if you want to scale it, you can have more. We had like 30 when we were sending those DMs. We are right now doing it actually automated, but VAs were always pretty good choice.